Hi guys, it's Jim Black. I'm excited to see all my friends, family, clients, and referral partners next Wednesday, June 16th from 4 to 8 p.m. in our new location, the All Cal office here on the Creekside in Soquel. You can see that we're gonna have a huge party out here outside, social distancing, and can't wait to see it. It's been way too long. We have live music, we have wine tasting, we got beer, we have a food truck, and we have a great cause we're raising money for, which is a Second Harvest Food Bank out of Watsonville. So come hang out, say hello. We'll send you an event link to fill out, or Eventbrite, excuse me, to fill out to RSVP, and we'll see you next Wednesday, June 16th.